And I have a back pain because I'm working on the heels every night, and I found this doctor, therapist that helped me to reduce my tension from the back and neck, and he helped me a lot. I feel here the warm when he did the therapy, and here also the vibration, and I heard some cracks that like my bones replaced on their right places, so I will notice my feeling like a few days after, and I will tell you more, guys, about this. Thank you.
Pulling up black.